In this video, I'm going to customize an iPad and I'm going to give it to my friend. But first, let's go buy an iPad. Now, let's unbox this. Since this is my first time painting on an iPad, I will not paint on it. Instead, I am using this back case to paint. Now, it's time for some sketching. Oh, no, but wait. Now, let's start sketching. The sketching part is done. Now, let's start painting. The paint is not applying well because I forgot to apply the base coat. So now let's paint white for the base. There's a lot of unwanted paint here, so let's scrape them. So the base layer is ready and we can now start sketching. But before that, let me introduce you to a new segment named Mavi Pegs Make Music. %30 of the work is done. Now let's continue to paint the rest. As you can see, I drew Pikachu on this back case. Now before doing the outlines, let's paint the background. Make sure you hit that subscribe button or else I'll eat you. That's it for this video, guys. Stay tuned for the reveal, but before that, make sure you hit that subscribe button for lifelong bootleg. Now let's go surprise my friend.